So this is how we can turn off the automatic pickup of the calls on your iPhone, and let's get started. So all you really need to do is to open up the settings app like that, and it's not part of the phone settings section, but you need to go to the accessibility instead. And part of the accessibility is the touch section, so click on it there, and at the bottom we have the call audio routing. So this essentially gives you the option to choose where the call is going to go, pretty much like if it's going to go to speaker or Bluetooth headset. But below we have the auto answer calls, and this is probably the feature you might want to turn off, because in there you just have one toggle, so you can turn it off completely, but you also have the option to adjust the time interval, which might be useful, right? So if you have it set to like 3 seconds, which is the minimum amount of time, perhaps you don't like it that way, but you can bump it up to like 5, 10, or even more seconds. So you don't necessarily have to turn it off completely. Just make sure it works out for you. Of course, for a lot of people, it's going to be simply just by disabling the feature completely. So make sure you do whatever suits your needs the most. But yeah, that's basically it. This is how you can stop the iPhone from automatically picking up your calls. Let me know below in the comments if you have some additional questions or thoughts about it. Subscribe for more, and I'm going to catch you later in the next tutorials.